Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of May, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.11. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend over the short term, indicating that further decline is anticipated within this trend. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 14.66% over the forthcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -36.45% to +2.92%. When we extend our analysis to a 12-month period, the projections suggest an anticipated change of -11.69%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance might fluctuate between -32.16% and +50.51% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price within the range of $2.67 to $5.91. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline NIO stock downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after Thursday trading session. The NIO stock price fell by nearly 3% on the last day, Thursday, the 1st of May in the year 2025, from $4.05 to $3.93. It has now experienced a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated over 5%, with a low of $3.90 and a high of $4.10. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by over 11% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 10 million shares, though this occurred alongside falling prices. This situation may serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. In total, 41 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $162,100,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price stands at just over 49%, or $3.78, below the 52-week high, and at nearly 94%, or $63.06, below the all-time high reached on the 11th of January in the year 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO's recent deliveries highlight both ongoing challenges and potential growth within the competitive electric vehicle landscape. As of the 1st of May, 2025, the company reported its delivery results for April, continuing to navigate the effects of tariff-driven market volatility that has impacted its stock price. Despite these obstacles, NIO's shares have increased by nearly 40% since early April. Analysts, including those from Citi, have placed NIO on Catalyst Watch, predicting that shipments could surge by more than 50% in the upcoming quarter. The anticipated introduction of new products, including NIO's expansion with the Firefly brand, could help alleviate the effects of tariffs and capture additional market share. Notably, the confidence expressed by analysts can foster a positive sentiment among investors, potentially driving the stock price upward in the short term. In the long run, NIO's ability to remain competitive amidst a price war in the electric vehicle sector, combined with strategic expansions and product launches, positions it advantageously to recover and grow despite the current market volatility. This growth may establish a robust foundation, enabling NIO to navigate its challenges effectively and capitalize on the rising global demand for electric vehicles. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade recommendation. On the same day, Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that may influence short-term developments. The NIO stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $4.10 and $4.02. A breakout above either of these thresholds will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 8.82%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 37 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 21 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.75. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high level of risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.2 between its high and low, representing a change of 5.13%. In the past week, the stock has maintained an average daily volatility of 4.77%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at negative 22 cents. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.98. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.75. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several negative signals and is currently within a broad, declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have adjusted our analysis from a buy to a sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we expect NIO to open higher by approximately 4 cents and begin trading at nearly $4. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.